Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner.
Made it! Well, alright. You just got to see Pappy do his first tail whip. Yeah, and we do a lot of scootering around here. And one thing we know is that the headset on your scooter needs to be tight. And this is the headset right here that holds the handlebar onto the base here. So what happens is when you try to tighten those too much, the threads will strip out. And I've got a headset that's stripped out from over tightening. And I'm going to show you how to rethread that and put in a larger screw. And right here I've got some stuff that I use to help me figure out what the next size screw is. Now you can just go to your local hardware store and they can help you out. But if you've got the things I do, you can figure it out on your own. First thing you need probably is a tap drill chart. And you can look this up online. But the headset came with a 6mm screw. And I'm going to bump that up to a 1/4 28 by fine thread. It's a little bit larger, and the finer thread has a higher torque value because there's more surface area. A coarse thread may look stronger, but really a fine thread is. And I've got a 1/4 28 tap, and my drills I'm going to need, my tap drills, and I've got a counter bore because I have to open up the counter bore on this headset for a larger screw. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Anytime you use power equipment, you want to wear safety glasses. So I'm going to put on my safety glasses, and I got my number 3 drill. Here it is. That's the size drill I need for a 1/4 28 tap. So I'm going to get set up here on the drill press. Okay, I got my drill chucked up in here, and I've got this angle plate on here so that I can use it to clamp up this headset so I can hold it stable. I'm going to go ahead and drill out for my tap drill. I made sure I got it all lined up with my drill before I tightened up the clamps. And it's just taking a little bit out of there. Okay, before I open up the counter bores, I tap out the hole, and I'm using the smaller counter bore to kind of guide my tap as I go in there. So first I'll put a little tap magic on. And that'll guide me pretty good while I go into the hole and re-tap it. You back it up, spin it, back it up, spin, back up. About a half turn, back it up. That breaks the chip. Just about through. You can tell when you're all the way through because it's real loose like that. There we go. And we'll back it off. So now we're tapped out to the 1/4 28. Right now I'm just going to open this hole up that's in here. Another thing, but aluminum, you can also use WD-40 as a lubricant. But since I have good old tap magic, I'm going to go ahead and use that. And I'm just going to drill that clearance hole out a little bigger. Go. We'll get the counter bore in. And this is why it's so important to have it clamped up tight. This uneven cut, due to that tapered surface, it's going to be just a little bit of lubricant. Notice I'm just going easy. look and see periodically where I'm at. I don't want to go any deeper, I just want to make the diameter bigger. If you have an air hose, blow that out so you can see better. There we go, and I'll give you a close-up of that so you can see it. And get this counter bore out of here. The clearance drill. Now I'll zoom in. There we go. It's all counterboard and ready to go. Take it out, blow it out with the air hose. And it's all ready. I'm going to go ahead, run the screws in. Grab the correct Allen wrench, which isn't the correct Allen wrench, it's for the metric screws. Okay. Alright, now I got the correct Allen wrench here. Fits in. Well, it screws in pretty darn nicely. Sets down on the counter bore nice. Drop the Allen wrench. Actually, it's called a hex key. Allen is a name brand. It's like calling Kleenex tissue paper or something like that. But there we go. Newly tapped and ready to go. And it'll have a higher torque value. You gotta love it. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love you, Pappy.